downstairs by the bar, and I've been dying to try this little TikTok hack. It's actually called, I think some people have called it the McDonald's orange creamsicle hack. So stay tuned. I'm going to find out if it works. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I'm downstairs in my family room behind the bar. And I've been wanting to try this TikTok hack for a long time. It's the McDonald's hack where people say that you can take the McDonald's orange Fanta soda and you can mix in it, you're supposed to mix in it these McDonald's coffee creamers, and supposedly it's supposed to taste exactly like a creamsicle. So I'm going to try this for you now because I don't even drink soda. I haven't had soda in, God knows, 20, 30 years. I just don't drink anything carbonated. It's not my thing. Excuse my bird in the background. I did cover the cage, but she doesn't care. She hears me talking and she wants to talk. Her name is Squeaky, so don't be surprised if you start seeing her, hearing her say, "Hello, Squeaky Bird. Hello, Squeaky Birdie. Hello, Squeaky Birdie." So anyway, I'm going to mix maybe these 3 McDonald's creamers in with this McDonald's orange Fanta soda. Going to mix it up, and it's supposed to taste just like a creamsicle. And I love creamsicles, so stay tuned. The lighting isn't too good here down by the bar, but I wanted to give this a try. So what you're supposed to do, and there's the birds, because this is where they live, in the family room. What you're supposed to do is take some Fanta, McDonald's Fanta soda, that's the orange soda, and I have that right here. Okay, so I have my cold Fanta with ice in it, I have my straw, and I have my McDonald's creamer. So let me put them in. Here's 1. I think I'll put 3 in. Let's see. 2. Ooh. And let's do a 3rd. 3. Alrighty, now I'm going to stir it around with the straw. Ooh, it's looking good. Look at that. Looks like a creamsicle. I don't know if it is. Let me stir it, and then I'm going to do a taste testing. Alrighty, let me give this baby a taste. Mmm. Mmm. Well, it still has, obviously, the carbonation in it, which I don't like, but that's irrelevant. But it does taste like a creamsicle. It's actually very, very good. Take another little sip. And also, what I saw someone do is they bought a small little soft serve ice cream, and they turned an ice cream cone, and they turned it upside down and dipped the ice cream part of it in there, stirred it, and it tasted like one of these floats. And I understand, I don't know, I think McDonald's used to have these frozen, some type of a frozen float that they discontinued. So anyway, I guess it looks and tastes like a creamsicle, and if it didn't have the carbonation, I would love it. But I think this little hack does work. I'm sorry about the bird you're hearing in the background, but I am downstairs in the family room, and her cage is down here, so this is her home, and she's watching me make this video, and she's singing along and chirping along. So anyway, here's to the TikTok hack, the McDonald's Fanta orange soda creamsicle hack. And it does work. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Cheers! See you soon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you. Toodles! Does taste like a creamsicle.